Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new and updated method to install ESign on your iPhone or iPad, and then use ESign to sign and install IPA files directly on your device. The best part is that this method does not require a PC, Mac, or jailbreak. I'm also going to test everything myself on my iPhone 16e running iOS to 6.6.1, so you can see exactly how the process works. Let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started.
Spend too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight. Alright, pull the trigger, 6-7 figures.
Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad.
It's your mind deep inside, how you stay tough, how you get back up.
Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links available there. You can use any one of them, but always start with the top first one. Simply hit on arrow down button in front of the top first link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. If one link don't work, then you can try the other links to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let the ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem.
Make your dreams come to life. We ain't thinking small, thinking light.
Now hit on the three dots on top, and then hit on the Import option. Then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on the Apps option at bottom, and then hit on the imported IPA file. Then hit on Signature, and then hit Signature again.
We gon' put our hands up to the sky, appreciate our lives and we fight till we die. Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight, so stand up.
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, that is the new updated ESign installation method for iPhone and iPad. As you saw, I installed and tested it on my iPhone 16e running iOS to 6.6.1 without a PC and without jailbreak. If this method worked for you, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Skibbity Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next iOS update. And if you're having any problems with ESign, drop your iPhone or iPad model and iOS version in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.